In 2022, Millennium Tower in San Francisco made headlines when residents sued for $100 million over the building's sinking and tilting. One crucial factor: inadequate documentation of early foundation inspections. Engineers later discovered that warning signs were noted during construction but weren't properly documented and communicated in time. The result? A 58-story luxury building that sunk 18 inches, tilted 22 inches and required over $100 million in repairs. Sound familiar? Everyday construction and engineering firms handle dozens of inspections and reports, hoping nothing critical slips through the cracks. But here's the reality. When inspectors are overwhelmed with site visits and buried in documentation backlogs, crucial observations get delayed, details get missed, and warning signs get lost in translation. You're juggling notebooks, photos, and voice memos while trying to capture every detail on site. Then you spend hours piecing it all together into a coherent report, often days after the actual inspection. By then, construction has moved forward, problems have compounded, and the cost of fixes has multiplied. What if you could turn a simple site walkthrough video into a comprehensive professional report in minutes? Introducing Site Report Builder, the revolutionary platform that's transforming how civil engineers and architects handle site inspections. Just record your observations on your phone as you walk the site. No juggling notebooks, no assistant needed. Our advanced AI does the heavy lifting, transcribing your words with uncanny accuracy, even for specialized construction terminology. It automatically extracts key images from your video and generates a polished, industry-standard report complete with annotations and detailed descriptions. Need to customize your report? Our intuitive editing tools let you add blueprints, data tables, and your company branding. Modify text, draw on images, or translate content with a few clicks. Everything is securely archived and searchable, so you'll never lose critical project documentation again. The numbers speak for themselves. Companies using Site Report Builder save an average of 700 hours annually on report writing. That's over $100,000 back in your pocket. But more importantly, you're protecting your projects, your reputation, and your peace of mind with accurate, timely documentation. Don't let manual report writing hold your business back. Join the engineering firms who are working smarter, not harder. Visit sitereportbuilder.com today and discover how you can transform your site inspections from a burden into a breakthrough. Your next project is waiting. Your next report shouldn't be.